Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be checking out the Depstech Endoscope or Borescope camera that connects to the PC, Mac, cell phone, tablet, whichever you prefer. This is the endoscope itself, allowing you to go into tight spaces that you cannot get with by normal means. It is rigid as such, and it's 16.4 feet long, giving you plenty of cable to go wherever you need to go. So if you're going through the wall and you need to stay straight, that is very possible, or go on angles, whatever you need. This whole cable is very rigid, which is great. It comes with Type-C to USB connection. It also, on this end, has the standard USB connection, and it also has a micro USB built into it. Actually, if you just click it, this is quite impressive. It works really well. You download either from the Apple Store or the Google Play Store, and you can download Depstech camera, and you'll find it. You install it on the phone, and then you could use your phone to capture video of wherever you need to go. There is a brightness control for the brightness of the LEDs in the front of the camera, which is really neat. So if you need light, or a little bit of light, or not enough, you don't want it too bright, there's an adjustment on the cable itself. I find this to be a very useful tool for any technician, for that matter, especially if you're working in the wall and stuff, you need to see things or animals, whatever. I'll have a link in the description below to purchase this. Focal distance is probably between 2 to 5 inches in terms of being focused in. So if you're looking for a camera, a snake camera such as this, I recommend it because it does work. So guys, if you like this video, please smack that thumbs up button, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit that bell for video notifications. Take care, guys.